Hello, and welcome to Accelevents. In this video you'll learn how to export registration information to Google Sheets by integrating Google Sheets with Accelevents. Let's start by connecting the integration. If you're in your admin console, click Manage Organization at the bottom of the left side navigation to redirect you to the Organizer portal. For lower plans, you'll see the integration menu from this page. If you're not seeing the integration menu, click My Enterprise to go to your Enterprise or White Label dashboard to access the Integrations menu. From the Integrations menu, click Connect under Google Sheets. A pop-up should appear where it would ask you to create a new authentication for your Google Drive. Name the authentication and click Create. A new pop-up will appear to choose your Google account. This screen appears as our Google Auth app is under verification. To continue, you can click Advanced and click Go to Accelevents at the bottom. On this page, you will see a message asking for permission to access your Google Drive. Review the required permission by clicking on Learn More. This permission allows Accelevents to display a list of your existing files so you can choose the correct Google Sheet for your automation. The app only reads basic file information, such as the file name and file type, to help identify spreadsheets in your drive. Accelevents does not open or access the contents of your files during this step. This permission simply allows the file picker to show your available spreadsheets so you can select the one you want to use for your data integration. Our application provides an automated data syncing service between Accelevents and Google Sheets. For usage, the drive.metadata.read-only scope is used to power the file selection interface that allows users to browse their Google Drive and select an existing spreadsheet to use as the destination for their automation. For limitations, the application only reads file metadata such as file titles and MIME types to identify spreadsheet files. The application does not access, read, store, or transmit the contents of any files through this scope. This scope is required because Google's file picker requires access to file metadata in order to display and search a user's existing files, allowing the user to select the correct spreadsheet for the integration. When you're done, click Continue. After authenticating, click Next. On this part, we'll need to create a new authentication. This time it's for Google Sheets. Name the authentication and click Create. Select the same Google account you selected earlier. This screen appears as our Google Auth app is under verification. To continue, you can click Advanced and click Go to Accelevents at the bottom. In this pop-up, you'll need to grant access to your Google Sheets. Review the required permission by clicking on Learn More. This permission allows Accelevents to connect your event data to a spreadsheet. You can either select an existing spreadsheet from your account or allow the system to create a new one for you. Once connected, Accelevents can automatically add or update rows in that spreadsheet with information such as ticket registrations or speaker data, based on the automation you configure. The app only writes data to the spreadsheet you choose, and this permission is required because the integration needs the ability to create and update spreadsheet entries automatically. Our application provides an automated data integration service between Accelevents and Google Sheets. For usage, the /auth/spreadsheet scope allows users to either select an existing spreadsheet from their Google account or create a new spreadsheet that will be used as the destination for synced event data. For data synchronization, once a spreadsheet is selected or created, the application can automatically write data to that spreadsheet. This includes appending or updating rows with information such as ticket registrations, attendee details, or speaker data based on user-configured automation triggers. For limitations, the application only writes or updates data in the specific spreadsheet that the user selects or creates for the integration. No other spreadsheets are accessed or modified. The /auth/spreadsheet scope is required because the integration must be able to create spreadsheets and write data entries automatically. A read-only scope would not allow the application to perform these user-authorized write operations. When you're done, click Continue. Click Finish. Wait for the integration to enable. The green button under Google Sheets will turn red once enabled and connected. That's it. Your integration is connected. Now let's select which information you want to export to Google Sheets. Go back to the Events admin console. Then go to Settings, and select Integrations. Click Configure under the Google Sheet automation. Choose where the Google Sheet rows will be created. You can choose an existing Google Sheet file. In the drop-down, you can see only Google Sheet files from your Google Drive. You can also choose to have Accelevents auto-generate a file for you. In this example we are choosing to use an auto-generated file. Next, Enable all the fields you want to show in the Google Sheet. In this example, we want the attendee's birthday, organization and job title to appear in Google Sheets. We are also mapping other order information such as the order number, the ticket name and the magic link. When you're done, click Save. Next we will register as an attendee to test if the integration works. From the registration page, select the ticket, and enter the attendee information. To see if the integration worked, open your Google Drive and look for the Google Sheet file generated by Accelevents. The file name should be the same as the last part of your event URL. In the auto-generated Google Sheet, you can see the attendee information. If updates are made to the order, the new information should also update in the Google Sheet. In this example, we're changing the attendee's last name, organization and job title. After updating, check your Google Sheet. You should see that the last name, organization and job title are also updated in the Google Sheet. And that's it. Feel free to reach out anytime 24/7 through chat if any questions arise. Thanks so much.